lean and what's the matter?
Was this something about the wireless connection or so forth and so on? Let me start again.
It's better. It's fine. Don't worry about it. It's the next week. So our amazing team members are doing a sample trial for 3 days of these amazing products. I did a video a couple weeks ago on the Plexus Slim. I will put in the link to the watch on this video. But today I want to talk on the Lean, Plexus Lean. How many of you are busy moms, or you just have trouble finding something to eat at night, or you just want something to snack in the day? This is an amazing meal replacement. I love the Plexus Lean and Slim. You can mix it in a shaker bottle just with almond milk. It tastes really good. I really love it that way. Or if you have a blender at home, you can blend up a smoothie with your favorite fruits. Me, I like my strawberries and bananas, yogurt, and almond milk. And then I mix in one scoop of this. It comes in vanilla, chocolate, that's whey. And then there's also a vegetarian supplement if you don't like the vegetarian. And so this is just a real simple, you shake it up and you eat it in 15 minutes. But also it has great enzymes in there for you, great nutrition value. It is non-GMO and gluten-free. And so feel free to comment below or message me if you are interested in any of the product, if any information about this amazing 3-day samples of this. And so God bless y'all. This is short, sweet, to the point, but this is so amazing to have when you're busy and you don't want to fix anything. Have a wonderful day. You know how to finish?
Yes, being you're preaching all day, how do you manage this on campus, or do you try to manage it on campus?
Well, when I'm on campus, I try to, if you can, I like to take my blender with me and already have the almond milk in there, and then I'll just take a small Ziploc bag of this and I'll pour it in there and shake it up on campus, because foods at campuses are expensive. If you're a college student, I know what it's like to go to the student union and try to buy food. It's $5, $6. One thing of this is only less than $3 per meal. Also, you are feeding 14 families when you buy one bag. One bag feeds 14 families. They donate money. And Plexus, since they launched this product in October, June, they have fed over 1 million families so far. So we're feeding America while we're also getting lean and slim ourselves. How much more can you love?
Let's see. So have you lost any weight with this, or you just feel like it's making you your body more look better?
Well, I have lost a little bit of weight since I've started doing this in June. What I did during the summer is I would eat a healthy breakfast. Oatmeal is my favorite breakfast, but whatever you like. Lunch, I would eat my biggest meal, and then I would replace my supper with this, because it's not healthy at night to have a very, very heavy supper. And so I would replace it with this, and I've actually lost 11 pounds. The skirt I'm wearing today is actually too big for me. It's kind of fallen off, which is a good thing, because I like to layer when I'm on campus because of preaching out in the cold weather. And so I like that I lost 11 pounds by adding this to my Plexus regimens, because I have a whole line of products I take each day. And sometimes in the mornings, I'll just mix this right here for breakfast, my yogurt, my strawberries, and my banana, and have them separate. Whoops. I'll have them separate, and it's really good in the mornings. But if you want to mix them together, that's awesome too.
Well, I noticed that your hair's gotten longer. You think this is helping your hair grow?
I'm not sure about that, Sister Pat.